Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best kayak rack for Jeeps in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is YAKIMA JayLow Rooftop Mounted Kayak Rack. This rack can carry one kayak in a J cradle configuration or 2 kayaks in a vertical stacked position. One of the best features of this kayak carrier is that it folds down. This means when you're not carrying kayaks on your roof, you can still drive into your garage without having to remove the rack completely each time. Another good feature of the JayLow is the integrated ramp to make it easier to load your kayak, which can be useful on high vehicles like the Gladiator, Cherokee, and Wrangler. However, with a 100-pound capacity, it's not the best choice if you're wanting to carry 2 heavy fishing kayaks. It's compatible with most crossbars, so you can install it on most Jeeps depending on the type of crossbars you have installed. Number 2. Our second best pick is Thule Hullavator Pro Rooftop Kayak Carrier. This one can be an ideal choice for a Jeep Patriot. It can also be great for other Jeeps and other SUVs. The main function of this kayak rack is that it can help you load your kayak onto the roof of your vehicle. However, it is very expensive compared to other racks. It has 8 points of padding for the protection and support of your kayak. The cradles are wide enough to accommodate kayaks up to 36 inches wide. It has gas struts that can lift 40 pounds of the weight of your kayak. This is a side loading rack, so it doesn't affect the back door of your Jeep. Number 3. Our third best pick is Rhino-Rack Folding J-Style Kayak Carrier. This style kayak carrier is designed with a universal mounting system. This means it can fit almost all types of crossbars, but you may need to purchase additional accessories to fit certain crossbars, such as square bars. However, it's not compatible with Thule's Aero bars or professional crossbars. Remember, you will need to install crossbars to your Jeep Wrangler before you install this kayak rack. It's also not the cheapest option, but it does include bow and stern straps and padded tie-down straps. The J cradles are padded to provide cushioning for your kayak's hull when in transit. A great feature of this rack is that it folds down flat, minimizing the additional height on top of your vehicle so you can still drive in low clearance zones, such as your garage. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Malone Foldaway 5 Kayak Rack. This rack can be a great kayak rack for almost every Jeep. This is because it can fold down flat against the roof of your vehicle for added convenience when it's not in use. One of the best features of this versatile kayak rack is that it can hold more than just kayaks. As well as having the capacity to carry 2 kayaks in a stacker mode, it can also fold down to carry a canoe or SUPs. You can also carry just one kayak in a J cradle mode. If you're carrying 2 kayaks, each kayak must weigh no more than 75 pounds. A downside of this rack is that it doesn't have a locking function to lock it to the crossbars, so this could be a security issue for some paddlers. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Thule Compass Kayak Carrier. This kayak rack can be a great kayak carrier if you want the option of carrying more than one kayak at a time. This can carry 2 kayaks in a stacker mode. Alternatively, you can carry just one kayak either in a J cradle mode or a saddle mode. This versatile rack can also be ideal for carrying SUPs in addition to a kayak. But it's expensive. It has a universal mounting system to fit all types of crossbars. It also comes with 2 sets of load straps with buckle bumpers for added protection and security. The kayak has thick rubber saddles to cradle your hull and padded upright arms to prevent scratches to your hull. The arms fold down when not in use, for improved aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.